So here we have a neuron. I'm going to quickly call out the parts and then give a little thing about what each of them does. So the dendrites are these little pins right here. The soma, the cell body, is just going to be this pyramid. The axon hillock is going to be this wall adapter right here. This right here is the axon. And the inside you see some cologne, which is the axon, and then the paper surrounding it is the myelin sheath. And this gap right here are the nodes of Ravnier. Then we get over here to the axon terminals, which are the tops of these pins, and then these desk pieces right here are going to be the synapse. And so basically the dendrites are what communicate nerve impulses to other neurons and to other cells and stuff like that. And so they're like tentacles, and they are able to be the first ones they touch and communicate with other dendrites and cells and neurons and stuff like that. And the soma is a cell body that holds the nucleus, and it also holds other important things for the neuron. The axon hillock is what generates nerve impulses, and which are passed down, which are passed through the neuron. So they're generated here. And the nodes around the air are what speed up the nerve impulses when they're passed through the axon, and they speed up action potential, stuff like that. And the axon here is where the ions, the action potential, all they pass through when they're moving and leaving towards the synapse. And so the myelin sheath is what increases the speed of the passing of ions, the passing of the action potential and whatnot. And so once we get to the axon terminus, the axon terminals, these things are where the neurotransmitters are released into the synapse. And then the synapse is where the neurotransmitters then move through this space and then make contact with other neurons.